The TRAVELEO 4-piece luggage set offers remarkable versatility with its expandable design, providing up to 20% additional packing space in its larger suitcases, which is perfect for travelers who love to bring back souvenirs. Equipped with TSA-approved locks and military-grade security features, this luggage set ensures your belongings are well protected during transit, offering peace of mind for frequent flyers. Built with an aerospace aluminum handle, the TRAVELEO luggage set is designed to withstand up to 100 pounds, significantly outperforming standard luggage handles in terms of durability and strength. The set is equipped with silent 360-degree spinner wheels that glide smoothly over various surfaces, reducing noise by 50% compared to traditional single-wheel designs, ensuring a quieter travel experience. A smart organization system inside the suitcases, including cross-compression straps and dual zippered compartments, helps you keep your belongings tidy and separate clean from dirty clothes. Constructed from waterproof polypropylene material, the TRAVELEO luggage can be easily wiped clean, making it ideal for those unexpected rainy adventures.